Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a fresh and delicious fruit salad that is packed with nutrients and perfect for any time of the day. First, I rinse out all my fruits thoroughly to remove any dirt or residue. Next, I peel, cut and dice each fruit. This helps blend the flavors and makes the salad easy to eat. Now, it's time to build our fruit salad. In a glass bowl, I add apples, great for fiber and heart health, strawberries, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, oranges, amazing immune system support, cherries, full of anti-inflammatory benefits, pineapple, aid digestion with natural enzymes, clementine, boost energy with natural vitamins, banana, provides potassium for muscle function. Give everything a good mix so all the juicy flavors combined. Look at all that color. When your food is colorful, it usually means it is packed with nutrients your body loves. Refrigerate for a while if you prefer your fruit salad chilled. It tastes extra refreshing this way. The fruit salad is super easy to make and incredibly healthy. It is perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even a light dessert. Adding this recipe to your diet can help you stay energized, support your immune system, and nourish your body with essential vitamins. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy and delicious ideas. Try it out and let me know your favorite foods to add in the comment section. Thank you for watching and enjoy your fresh fruit salad. See you in the next video.